Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel tablet, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device. So firstly, you need to remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector, and I suggest using a toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from getting all into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, insert the one part of the brush into the connector and try to pry the dirt out. Toothbrush is the best tool to clean the connector because it's flexible and it can get and can catch small objects, small debris or dust inside your charging port. So cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.